In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-admit Google Meet participants. This process is a handy feature, especially useful for teachers, team leaders, or anyone who regularly hosts meetings and needs a streamlined way to manage participant access. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set your Google Meet settings to automatically admit participants, making your meetings flow smoothly without interruptions. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to the Google Meet website. You'll want to make sure you're signed in, so go ahead and click on the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. This will take you to a login screen where you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one associated with the meetings you're intending to host. Once you've selected your account, you'll be directed to a password prompt. Enter your password, then hit Next to proceed. With your account now signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Meet homepage. From here, look out for the New Meeting button and give it a click. This is your starting point to create a new meeting session. We'll want to start an immediate session, so go ahead and select Start an Instant Meeting. This option is perfect if you need to jump into a meeting right away. The meeting will start almost instantly and you'll find yourself in the familiar Google Meet interface. At the bottom right corner of your screen, there's a host controls icon. It's somewhat small, so pay careful attention and click on it. This is where you'll access the settings to manage participant access. A pop-up window will appear offering various options for your meeting controls. You'll want to focus on the participant controls here. These settings are critical to automating the admit process. Though you won't see a direct option labeled Auto Admit, you can manage your meeting accessibility by tweaking these controls. Ensure settings reflect that participants can join without the need for a host to admit them manually based on your specific meeting needs. Remember, the key is understanding how these configurations affect your meeting flow. As you get more familiar with using Google Meet, you'll find that customizing these settings to auto-admit participants will save you time and allow for a seamless experience for everyone involved. And that wraps up our guide. Using these steps, you've efficiently configured your meeting to minimize interruptions and optimize your participants' entrance process. With just a few clicks, you've ensured a smoother, more efficient meeting environment. Thanks for tuning in and happy hosting.